A major storm pounded California's central coast on Monday, bringing flooding and high surf. The storm fatally trapped a man beneath debris on a beach and later partially collapsing a pier, tossing 3 people into the Pacific Ocean. The storm was expected to bring hurricane-force winds and waves of up to 18 meters in height as it gained strength from California to the Pacific Northwest. Tens of thousands of homes in Bosnia were left without electricity after more heavy snow and winds that also brought traffic chaos in neighbouring Croatia and Serbia. Throughout the Balkans, authorities issued travel warnings as snow drifts closed major routes, including sections of motorways in Croatia, Bosnia, Serbia, and Croatia even banned the movement of heavy vehicles and imposed limited traffic levels on affected roads. Parts of Bosnia faced a total halt of railway traffic as well because of the snow.